Hi guys, hope you are all doing great. I'm doing a video on how to get data from Twitter using Power BI and then create some cool visualizations in Power BI. So let's get started. First, let me go to new source and click on blank query. And then in order to edit your query, you click on advanced editor. And, here we're going to paste the query that we are going to use to get data from Twitter. So I've got a really cool query written by Chris in his blog. So you can check out the site. I'll just post it on Blackboard. So here is the query. Let's get some insight into the query before we use it. So first, he's trying to put the consumer key and consumer secret key of Twitter developer account, and these are the credentials needed to get any kind of data from Twitter. Then we are having something called URL from where we get the data. So then we are trying to get the data by posting headers and the content. So here he's converting this into UTF-64 format. So uh, it, it it matches well with the headers. And then we are trying to convert the data that we get into a JSON format. Then here there is a query on JSON where we can uh, give our query parameter over here and the count of the columns, the count of the rows that we want to get from Twitter. And finally, the data that we get from Twitter will be a list format. So we're trying to convert it into a table. And you can also split the list based on the splitter over here. So if you want to be split it by nothing, so you just give it nothing. And then these are the columns that we are interested in getting. So you mention all the columns that you want to get from Twitter over here. So this is pretty much. So what I'll do is copy this query from here. Just click on copy and a control C, and then I'll be going to my advanced editor and I'll paste the query over here. So first I have to change or put my consumer key over here. For this I'll be going to my Twitter dev account and let me copy and paste this. You can remove the symbols over here and so let's remove the symbols over here. So this is our authentication key that we need, and this is the query that it will be filtering out of. So uh, let us give a something called Pepsi, count equals to 100, and let's click on done. So here we go, we got the data and the parameter is Pepsi over here. If you want to add multiple parameters to your query, you just go into manage parameters, add a new parameter, let me call it parameter, give this any suggested values, a list of values, and here you can give your multiple parameters that you want to query from Twitter. So let me go Coke and Sprite or something, and then give your default value, the current value, something. Let's see. Let's click on OK. And in order to use this parameter, we'll have to change our query a little bit. So here we are using Pepsi. So let us use the parameter called parameter, which we just created. Like this, then just click on done. So here we go. We got the data which takes multiple parameters, and we've got around 100 rows which we've specified in the query. So let us filter this a little bit and then import into our to get some good visualization. So column metadata, I think I don't require this. Let's keep the query red. Need the column ID. Column ID is string. English. I'll keep the text. I'll keep the source. This. So in order to delete, you just click on the multiple rows with a control, and then remove columns, or just click on delete on a keyboard. The column users, if you click on this button, you'll be able to see all the values that are inside it. So I'm just interested in the ID, the name of the user, the location probably, and let's limit it to health for now. Click on OK. So I'll just expand it for me, and I think I'm not interested in all these right now. Delete, and let's keep the repeat count. So let me keep the language also. So we have our data that we're interested in. Now click on close and apply. So this data gets imported into our visualization panel. Let's wait for some time. And here we go. We actually got the data that we were interested in to this Power BI. So let us now create some few visualizations. So let me start with a bar chart. Let's click on bar chart. Say I'm interested in uh, checking the count of the people who have a specific language. So in my axis, I'll be dragging this language, and under value, I'll be interested in the count of the number of text fields that I have. So this is the uh, language, and this should be the count of the number of text rows that I have for each of the language. So here we go. Pretty cool bar chart, and then let me go and try this maps in Power BI. So sorry, do this, then create a new map. Then if I just drag my location into it, so this just gave me uh, showing me pointing out the locations that the tweets have come from. So likewise, we can create many more visualizations like this. Say, for instance, you want to show something on the count which is dynamically changing. You can use a card. So you can use a card like this and then just uh, drag your fields into this. You can show the count of any kind of tweets that you want to show, or the number of users for a specific location, etc. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye.